guys, welcome back to another video. It's Chloe. Today I have the next Postbox from the Positive Teacher Company. They do send this to me each month, so I'm very thankful for that. So thank you to the Positive Teacher Company for very kindly gifting this to me each month. I don't know what this is going to be in here. I know that there was like a beach kind of sneak peek on their Instagram, but that's all I know. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So it'd be interesting to see what's inside here, to see if it will match like a summer holidays kind of vibe. Let's pop it this way. See what we have. Ooh, okay. So I believe usually there's some discount codes in here. So I'm just going to move those to one side. And we'll start with the what's included inside your box. So if you want to pause this here, you can see exactly what is included within the Postbox. So let's have a look. So the two things that I've taken out to put on the side, you've got 10% off your next order. So they give you a code, and you also get a free desktop download to be able to use. So let's start. Let's start here. What's this? This is like a straw. Yeah, let's have a look here. What does it say? Can we see it? Eco straw. Okay, so yeah, it's eco straw. So one that you can just keep in your bag, use whenever you want. Really nice. It matches this theme really well. Let's go here next. So I believe this is a pencil case. Let's see. Yeah, nice little pencil case. Relax. That's really nice. I mean, you don't have to use this for a pencil case. What does it say? Linen pencil case. I mean, I'm looking at this thinking like you could pop a little face mask or like self-care bits in here and then use that like out and about. Keep little bits in there. Very nice. Let's see what this is. Does it match? Oh, it's a little coaster. That's lovely. That matches really nicely as well. Okay, so pencil case, coaster. We've had the eco straw as well. Let's save that till last. We've got another one of these. What are they calling it? A vinyl sticker. There we go. That's what it is. I always forget what these are. Vinyls. They're vinyls. Life's better at the beach. That's really pretty. That would look nice stuck on like a water bottle, or maybe if you've got a notebook with like a light colour on the front, you can stick that on. Very nice. Or this might be nice if you wanted a notebook that you just take to the beach. So you journal about being at the beach or draw some pictures while you're at the beach. You could have this on the front of that, and that's just like a beach diary that when you go on beach days, you can sit and paint, and yeah, nice stuff with that. Lovely. What's this? Okay, we've got a nice iced tea bag there to be able to use. Will these be postcards? They feel a little bit like postcards. Yeah, we've got postcards. Oh, they're really nice. Oh, look at the designs on these. I like them as well. I'll go a bit slowly so you can see better. And what they're like on the back. Oh, this nice postcard style. So you could actually send these off. Really nice. Lovely design. I'm thinking this would look really nice as a journal theme. I'm thinking of like cutting these up and using them in my journal. Ooh, I like those. And then finally, so this is what you're supposed to give to somebody else as a gift. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's a little magnetic bookmark. Does it open? Yeah. So, let me see. If I pull up one of my notebooks, you would just get it. You can either have it over the front like that, or you can have it over a page. Let's see. So basically it just bookmarks a certain part of your book or on a page. There you go, like that. Really nice. I like that. I love the colours. That's some of like this colour this colour, I don't even know what colour you call it, but it's one of my favourite colours. I love this. It's also the, pick it up without knocking everything over. It's also the July colour for the calendar this month as well. So all ties in really nicely. Okay, let's recap. What do we get? So you got the bookmark. We get the postcards. You get the nice iced tea bag. You got your vinyl sticker. We have the relax coaster and the relax pencil case. And then finally we have the straw. You also get your free download for your desktop and 10% off your next order. So that's everything that you get. I hope you enjoyed this. I really enjoyed opening this one. This is a really nice one, especially moving into the summer where you've got a bit of time off. Yeah, really nice one. So thank you again to the Positive Teacher Company for sending this to me, and I'll see you all again in another video. Bye everyone.